Hello and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well, and have a great week. All right, so this is going to be the recap of Euro Yen. All right, not going to be the update and setup. All right, so setup almost gone from that top, if you remember that, and we are just looking at the recap. Okay. On Euro Yen previous opportunities which we have just experienced over there, because the wave is about to end over there, and if you're still riding that wave from the previous top, okay, or any corrections which we have just seen over there within that circle on lower time frame, all right, then it's time to think about that the wave is over and get out. All right, so I'm gonna look at the previous video analysis first, all right, and the recent one as well. Okay, so the previous one we are having here. Okay, so let's quickly look at that, and then we're gonna look at the recent one where we were having a setup over there for short term for more downside. Okay, and then gonna talk about the next what we may see on the Euro Yen in coming days and weeks. All right, so let me bring that back. Okay, so let's just look at
triangle formation. Okay, so what you are simply looking price to tag, all right, and struggle there. Do not break that top, all right, hold that previous top, do not break, do not go beyond that, all right, so hold that previous top like that has the way it has done, or the chart which has just shown you, all right, this chart, I think, yeah, that chart, okay, was expecting price to hold that previous top, okay, it held and went lower. Similar way, watch, once price tag that top, watch it to hold and struggle to go beyond that. Okay, watch it on your lower time frames, hold it, okay, and then start dropping. All right, so start dropping. Yeah, drop can be slow, all right, not aggressive like that. Okay, drop can be slow, all right, like that, in the form of a flag formation. Okay, back to that low. So right now you're looking for a short-term move, this move all the way back to that low, and in case if the sharp sell-off is coming, all right, the sharp sell-off, right, the bigger time frame, you know, sharp sell-off, which I'm the daily time frame, sharp sell-off is coming from there. Okay, then go all the way back to, first of all, back to this low, all right, price to tag this low, and then correct, and then go all the way back to previous daily low. All right, okay, so that's the analysis and that's the setup. Okay, short term to medium term and longer term, all kind of setups are there. Okay, this short term first. Yeah, in case if price is not going to stop there, right, and breaking that expanding triangle formation top, right, this previous top, okay, then let the price visit that previous top. Okay, then let it go there up to 133.40, which right now I'm not anticipating that the price is going to go that much far away. In case if the analysis is going to be incorrect or wrong and price action is not appearing over there, all right, then let the price visit that top. Okay, and then watch again aggressive sell from there, and then start looking for this to continue to keep dragging lower. I'm not anticipating that move. All right, in case if that happens, okay, then the bigger daily time frame analysis is not going to change. Price still going to stay, you know, bearish for longer term from that previous daily top 133.40. Okay, that's not going to change. Okay, so first of all, you are watching price action there for that move. Okay, and price to go all the way back to the daily low. All right, so thank you, we'll see you back.
All right, so that was the previous, you know, old video analysis from the top, which we were expecting it to drag from that top last month. All right, now let's look at the previous one, okay, for short term, which we had you know, just recently on Euro Yen. Okay, and the breakout is just has happened over there. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward that. I'm gonna play it now.
An update. All right, so if you remember that we were expecting Euro Yen to drop from that top all the way back to that previous low, so we are within that wave right now. Okay, and expecting Euro Yen to finish that wave all the way back to that low. In the previous video analysis, we were expecting Euro Yen to break down aggressively there at these areas, or that correction within these corrections. Okay, so we have got breakout over there. A nice breakout was there, and price is simply setting up for another breakout. Okay, another correction is underway, and setup is very much clear. You are looking for another sharp breakout over there, and Euro Yen to tag that previous low. Okay, at least previous these areas. So another opportunity is in making. Okay, but if you are going for that, make sure you keep one thing in your mind, that the wave is almost, you know, gone, more than 75%, we can say that. Okay, so that's 50%. All right, this wave, all right, and expecting it to at least tag this area all right, or in best case scenario go up to that level. So more than 75% wave is already gone on, yeah, from that top. So you are looking this correction to break out aggressively and finish the wave there. Okay, what is the worst case scenario? Yeah, if you're gonna get a breakout, okay, then what price can do? It can go for a bigger 4-hour time frame correction. All right, bigger 4-hour time frame correction, so still gonna be a bearish setup over there. Okay, if that happens. All right, so I'm not anticipating bigger 4-hour time frame correction. Okay, correction is already underway. Side flat formation is just happening over there. Okay, you are looking for this to break out and continue to keep dragging lower all the way back to that previous bottom. Okay, thank you.
All right, so that was the two previous video analysis which we had over there, setups. Okay, and yes, that was the wave, big daily wave which we were expecting. All right, so now that's the updated chart. So price is about to complete that wave there. All right, so in longer term, you know, I'm still looking EURJPY to keep dropping for longer term to the downside all the way back to that low. All right, but you are not looking that setup right now. Okay, you are looking to get out from the EURJPY right now. Okay, so just the video which you have just seen over there, yeah, was showing another breakout over there. Okay, we got a breakout, another pullback, and boom. So we are just up, we already got the bottom. Okay, price just tagged that low. There we can see price just tagged that low. All right, and we still may see a couple of more, you know, drops over there on the EURJPY, and it can go all the way back to that low. But right now there is no opportunity left on the EURJPY. All right, so if you are following me on the EURJPY since from the top, okay, so since from that top or within these areas, then you must have, you know, chased down that wave all the way from that top. Okay, if you haven't chased the whole wave from that top, then there were small tiny setup opportunities were there, okay, which were, you know, building over there on lower time frame. All right, and I have almost, you know, shown you in my previous video analysis all these, you know, small corrections for short term. All right, and this was the recently one. Okay, what we may see next on the EURJPY, okay, so we may see another push up, slow push up. Okay, we are not right now, I'm not looking for that. If you're gonna get a price action over there from that bottom, all right, then we will start looking for that trade. Okay, so right now just shares your, you know, wave which you had over there from that top and simply enjoy that. All right, so thank you very much. So there's going to be, you know, a training session going to start very soon next month. All right, so if you are interested and looking to join that, yeah, so you know, links are there in the description. All right, and if you want further information, just text me, you know, and I'll try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you. We'll see you back again in another setup. Until then, bye.